My name's Gioffre. I am a custom home builder and I'm the owner of Revent Builds. So how we choose materials, we want every product in this house to feel curated, distinctive, things that we can customize, things with different options. And to me, Rainier Plank hits all of those marks. Timbertown actually introduced me to Rainier Plank. And I was like, oh my God, this product is phenomenal. It was like crystal clear grain. It took stain so well. It looks absolutely fantastic. What I love about Rainier Plank is it is unique. People are gonna be like, man, what is that? Where did you find that? There's not a freaking knot in the product. Like when we want a clear grain product, that's where things get uber expensive, right? But it's way better price-wise than some of the other materials out there in the market. And that's where I was like, dude, I'm using this product everywhere. So now it is my favorite freaking wood to use, lo and behold.